that was fun. It's not at all a pain in the ass. AC delete still there. And then, yeah.
We just gotta put antifreeze in it. Antifreeze.
Yeah, antifreeze.
Take the tender off it, put the battery connectors back on, and it should.
Hope it starts, right? Yeah. Till we know it runs and it's good.
Here is our
antifreeze. Yep, 2 jugs. Takes a lot.
Oh, this one's nice. This one's like half drank. That's reality.
Whoa, you don't drink antifreeze, dude. We don't condone that on the channel.
Hey, just saying. It's tasty. It's nice and sweet.
This is the Core brand.
The question I do have is, so sitting over there in the corner is the reservoir tank. Can you see?
Oh, I'll go over there. I've got legs.
It's sitting in the corner.
It's right there.
Is the reservoir tank for the antifreeze, which there's actually antifreeze in it still. Funny story.
So we have antifreeze. We're just using water.
Yeah, and so
let's be honest.
It's supposed to go right here, and then it's supposed to tap in right here. We're just not gonna worry about that. It should be fine.
If we need to get us bubble gum, we can put gum on the output there.
Yes, she does.
It's not like it's gonna run forever. I'm not gonna let it go through our first battery or anything stupid like that. As you can see, we have a professional setup here. We've got driver GoPro. The car's not gonna move. That's not important. We've got one on the patented Dayton 3-ton GoPro stand over here. Works good. Yes. Oh, there's the reservoir. Removable. There we go. It's the pressure thing, I guess, it's whatever. You remember to plug it in, right?
Of course.
Okay.
I mean, it's a Harbor Freight special. It's got great.
That is true. Harbor Freight does make the best tools in the world. Please sponsor.
So I will mention that
seems kind of tight and short.
This battery is not the right size.
Oh, that makes sense.
But it works. I mean,
so far.
See this?
It works on that one.
This is the crap we run into around here.
Hence why we call the car the Shitbox.
So, some backstory on this car. It was a buy. I paid $200 and some odd change for it. It was literally a kind of a joke buy. It was a, you know what? I'm gonna throw $200 in this car, then go to bed. And I woke up the next morning owning a car. In the video, or in the ad, all I could see is that it had
some front end damage, minor damage.
Damage down here on the. I already got a new port conveniently located in the back of the car. That's where the new port sport now goes.
See, that's where the core sport's going to be. If you can see it, here, hold on, let me draw a little smiley face in the dust so you can see through it. There you go. We also cleaned off a GoPro mounting area up here in case we need it.
Shameless plug for my channel. Right there, the P6
Here,
channel.
we'll just get that there for you. Again, see through the dust. Plate should show.
But so, needed core support, needs both airbags, which I've already purchased those. This car is a, you know what? $200 can't go wrong. Went down to Georgia, picked it up. It has keys on it, got airbags for it, got core support for it, got front lights for it. I'm down to needing the crash sensors for the front end, a front bumper, and the SRS module, and a battery rebuilt title. That shouldn't take the main thing is you're going to bring the whole interior back together. Right. Take it to the but in the future, we are going to do a motor swap on it.
Have we decided if we're going LS, if we're going to throw a Coyote in it?
You know, we're gonna do something.
Okay.
It may be something different.
Okay.
But right now, I think we're just gonna. It's got line competitors on it. It's already got cherry bombs on it.
So, provided the engine doesn't grenade, this will be the engine for the car for a while.
Yeah, this will be the whatever we're gonna do to the next motor. We're gonna first on this motor. Be it nitrous, tank, whatever, be it supercharger.
We do a lot of plug-and-play parts that we can reuse
Yeah,
later.
we're gonna get turbos. You can reuse them as long as you get a big enough turbo for anything. Nitrous, it's a shark nozzle.
Right.
Screw it into the direction and you're done. So, but enough stalling, which is what I'm really doing here.
Because we're hoping there's no leaks. Every time we started it, something else has went wrong.
I've rebuilt the front end of the motor 4 separate times due
Right.
to
We're getting real good at taking shit off.
water pump leak, oil pump failed when I first started out. I drove it all the way to the public, because oil pump went out.
Right.
Whether it went out before I got it or whatever. So I replaced that, and then it started leaking oil from the head studs that hold the power steering wheel bracket on. I noticed that it
So
broke.
what he's saying is we're really hoping we're done fixing shit and starting to go ahead with the build instead of working on the same part for 4 months.
You know what? That's not what I said, but
Now hold on, I've got to get our other shots going. We've got 40 of them. Make sure we have decent audio here. You gonna try to move this motherfucker? You've got an opening.
Yeah, no, this car's not gonna be moving.
Not with that attitude.
Well, I mean, if you would see the interior of this, you would understand why. Like, come take a look at this interior. So, center house is just kind of here.
That doesn't stop the car from moving.
It does when you want to try and shift, and it's kind of there.
You got at least 2 gears, bro.
Yeah, but I don't have reverse.
You got almost as many as Poe does.
No, Poe's only missing a coat. By the way, go Poe boys. He's awesome. He's actually got another V6 Mustang that he's twin turboing. But yeah.
Alright,
now's the moment of truth.
see what happens. You got yours started in there?
Yeah, it's going.
Still leaking a little bit. Harmonic balancer, did we ever tighten it down after we put it on?
Yeah.
Still leaking. Doesn't look like it. That's it. It's just harmonic balancer that's leaking at this point.
Okay. But
He's smoking a little bit. Huh? Burning a little oil. Didn't leak any water though.
It's running rich.
No, it's fine. Supposed to get you high when you start in the garage.
It's running a little.
That's been an attempted suicide.
just a little rich.
So some of that oil and probably gasket material that's on this head up here is smoking a little bit, but yeah, it's definitely still leaking pretty good from harmonic balancer.
Is it really?
Yeah, about the same as it was when we put it on.
I'm just going to go ahead and start working on it.
I mean, you can keep recording if you want. I mean, you know what it takes. You need to put a 21 on it, put it in this in gear again. Parking brake has not even been turned off yet. Like
Since it came to the garage.
I don't know if this is gonna even not be welded together when I finally go to move it. Okay. Stupid bridge. Which one? The old one?
Same quality sound as this one, I think. We just weren't talking very well. I don't have a quick voice.
Say, why didn't you
Because the microphone's up front here, and it's kind of dim. But we can leave the back open on it and get a little bit better quality.
So it's leaking down here?
Yeah, it's leaking straight underneath the harmonic balancer at the back. You can still see it drip every now and then. It's at the back of the puddle down there. I really can't tell from up here what the hell it's leaking at. It's just where it's coming from. And I don't know that cranking it down anymore is going to help, honestly, but it doesn't hurt to try.
That's not what I'm going to do first. Because I've already cranked down on it some.
Okay. So I couldn't quite hear that. What'd you say?
I said I love this car. How much am I about to lose?
It'll be fine.
Judging from the leak point, it is either leaking from the harmonic balancer or the oil pan.
Well, whatever it is, it's leaking chocolate milk. It doesn't look like good quality either.
Ember.
To be fair, we did point out that it's probably not the right harmonic balancer. Because the one that was on this looked fucking weird.
Well, that's not gonna work.
It seems to be spinning.
Put it in high gear. Go put it in fifth gear.
Put it in fifth? Yeah. You want to hold this?
Oh, this is like fat guy in a little coat?
Yeah, pretty much. Can I reach fifth the way this is set up?
Yeah. Not reverse, but fifth. That's top left. Top right. I can't believe I said top left and you actually thought for a second.
Well, I'm like, fifth should not be in first.
This is the European spec.
I'm like, I just went top right. What the fuck are you talking about? I'm like, I had the same transmission in my first Focus. Reverse is down and back. Is that better? It does seem to be better. You can cut that part out. I just want to get that on camera in case you need to yell at her later. Fucking rednecks, man. That way they grow big and strong. Oh. Got any other ideas here?
Put the intake on.
You think that's gonna help?
Put the intake on.
Okay.
Start it back up and let it sit.
Okay.
and idle and see if he'll seat up.
You
Let it
thinking
warm
maybe it's
up
just a
little.
gasket that needs to be kind of heat treated, essentially?
I mean, I doubt it.
We're hoping. Essentially, that's where we're at this point. We're hoping.
Dude, I've been at that point for a while now.
All right, so we're gonna put the intake back on, and I'll start the recording back up, guys. All right.